In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-751, which is petition to remove conditions on residence online. If, if you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from US CIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell for the future upload, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video to more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. To file a form online, you need to log in to your USCIS account. You must have an account, USCIS account. And I have a video on my channel on how to do that, on how to create a USCIS account. Once you have it, just go under my account and look for a form online. Now, it's gonna take you to the next page where you're gonna start filing the form you want to file. In this video, as I mentioned, we're gonna do Form I-751. Before you select the form you want to file online, make sure you read the file form. Select select the form you want to file online. For some forms, you will have the option to either fill it out your form online or upload completed form. Once you start, we will automatically save your information for 30 days or from the last time you worked on the form. So let's assume that you worked on this form, but you did not submit it, but you never went back and make any changes. So after 30 days, it will be deleted. So make sure you completed your form within 30, you submitted the form within 30 days. If not, it will be deleted. For a fee waiver, if you are planning to apply for a fee waiver, you must file Form I-912. By paper, you go online to the Form I-912, file it, then print it, then sign it with a black ink, then scan it, then save it in your computer to upload it. I hope I am clear on this one. Now, select the form you want to file online. So this video is gonna be I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. So read this information right here because it's very helpful. Use this form if you are a conditional permanent resident who obtained status through marriage and want to apply to remove conditions on your permanent residence status. So note right here, you can only file by PDF upload. So it is confusing. I'm doing it online, but I'm still have to upload a PDF file. Yes. Portion of it is going to be online, but the form itself, you must file Form I-751 by paper, then save it in your computer, then upload it. We have two options here. You can upload it without signing it, and then you're going to sign at the end when you completed this form online, or you can file the PDF form, then print it, then sign it, then scan it, and then upload it. We will talk about that. Let's move on to here. Start form. So I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. But before you start application or petition, always read the eligibility. When should I file Form I-751? Yeah, for I-751, just USCIS will send you I-797C as a reminder to file I-751. So I will show you the notice that I received from my spouse when we're getting close to 90 days period. For the fee, I already talked about it. If you need to apply for the fee, you must file Form I-912, sign it, and then scan it, and then upload it. We will talk about that later in this video as well. So here, evidence of the relationship. Of course, you will need evidence. We will talk about it as well when we go through this video. So let's go straight to criminal history. Let's go straight to after you submit your application, petition or request. This is the good things about, filing online. You have a lot of good stuff when you file the petition online. You will track your application, of if you add any if you add anything to your case, you can do that as well. You can track your case. Uh, you can mail your receipt notice. You can receive, when you receive a decision, you will have in your account, that's a lot of stuff. This is good to file the form online. So let's go next. Uploading your form online. So please go through this. I don't want to waste the time reading this. Just go straight. I'm going to go straight to start. So I-751 eligibility selection. So I think we have three options. Yeah, we have three options. We have first one is joint filing with my U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident spouse. Second option is joint filing with my parents, U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident spouse because I am unable to be included in a joint petition filed by my parent or my parent spouse. Or waiver or individual filing for request. For this video, it's going to be this one right here. Joint filing with my U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident spouse. So if you married a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident and you have a condition in your green card, you must select this selection right here. Joint filing with my U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident. This one right here, select one that apply for you. In my case, not under active military or government orders. We're gonna go next. Are you able to pay the filing fee? This is a good question. It depends on your situation. If you are under poverty guidelines and you are receiving benefit from the government, you can file for I-9. You can file I-912. So if you see, for example, yes, it's gonna go to the next page. If you see no, they're gonna give you instruction right here on how to file I-912. So eligibility for a fee waiver. So you must go right here and check for eligibility. Your household income is at below 150% of the federal poverty guidelines, but you still must, upload the evidence that will go with I-912. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one right here because I have a video on, and I have a video on my channel for I-912 with information about the eligibility for a fee waiver if you want to go watch that video. So for us, yeah, one thing I want to mention right here because it is very important when you're filing. So the signature is required for I-912. So if you file a PDF form and you upload it without a signature, let's do that so we can see it. And I have 912, it's already filed. If I try to upload it, let's do that. Because the signature is not, this form is not signed, you will see what happened right here. This is the form is not signed. So it's going to give you an error. Error with uploaded form. We found the following errors with uploaded form. Missing requested signature because it's not signed, so it will not be accepted. What are you going to do right here? You must file the form first, then print it, then sign it with a black ink. It must be a black ink and a right hand signature. Do not initialize or put your full name. because I saw a lot of videos talking about putting the full name. It will be rejected automatically. It must be signed with a black ink. So I'm gonna delete that. I'm not gonna do that one. So just I give you information if you are planning to apply for fee waiver. So in my case, I'm going, yeah, I will pay. Are you able to pay the filing fee? I'm gonna answer yes. We go next. PDF form upload. Now you must upload form I-751. For I-751, I'm going to go to two options right here. First one, you can upload I-751 without signature, but must date it first, but do not sign it. You will sign at the end when you submit this application. Or there is a second option. You can file I-751, then print it, then sign it, and then upload it, and your signature will be automatically detected. So let's do the first option right here. I have a form that is filed but is not signed. It's already dated. Choose a file. Choose. I'm gonna do that one. All right. So the system will process the PDF and it's gonna see if there is any missing information. You must have correct A number and date of birth. This system, that's what it checks. It checks for both. It checks for A number and date of birth. If you have date of birth is wrong, it will not be processed. If you have A number is wrong, application will not be processed. So now next, permanent resident card. Now you must upload an image of both sides of your permanent resident card. The permanent resident card must be clear and readable and accepted file formats. They have like 5 formats, so you can choose the one that will work for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is green card from. It must be both back and front. Now let's upload the back of the green card. As I mentioned, the form has to be in this 5 format. So I'm going to choose a file. It's going to be green card. So if you see, it's error because I'm trying to upload the wrong format. Let's go right here and look for G. This one right here. This one will be accepted. If you see this format right here is different than the other one. So let's go right here. This one, it will be accepted. Make sure you are uploading the right format. It must be is JPG. If not, it will be rejected. Now we apply the green card back and front. Let's move on to the next one. That's evidence of the relationship. Submit copies of documents indicating that the marriage upon which you were granted conditional status was entered in good faith and was not for the purpose of circumventing immigration laws. Submit the copies of as many documents as you can to establish this fact. Do not go with this. This is for information purposes only. You must submit documentation that you see that will apply for your case and they are eligible because they will ask you for, if they ask you for more information, you will have evidence to submit. So in my case, what I submitted birth certificate for my child. I submitted the lease. At the time, I have an apartment. I submitted the lease for my apartment, and also I submitted the joint bank account statement. That's what I submitted to them, and it was accepted. Let's go here and start doing that. So first thing I'm gonna do the bank account. I think it's in desktop. I'm gonna put birth certificate for my child. So as you can see right here, they ask, please make sure your file is an accepted format. So it must be in this format right here. So if you see it's in document, it was not accepted. So I think I have it in PDF. I think I have him in download. I think, yeah, I have him in download right here. Birth certificate. See, if you try to upload a wrong format, it will not let you do that. So attempting, when the first attempt, it was wrong. The format was wrong, and it gives me an error. So now, birth certificate, I'm gonna do mortgage or contract. I'm gonna add another one, which is joint bank account. And also, you can do taxes. If you have taxes, you can do that. If you file the taxes jointly, you can do that as well. As I mentioned, any tax that you will see will work for your case. Go with this, see which one it will apply for you. If you have people that will, affidavits sworn to or affirmed by at least two people who have known both of you since your conditional residence was granted and have personal knowledge of your marriage and relationship, you can do that as well. So now let's go to next, criminal history. If you have any criminal history, you must submit it. You must attach it or upload it. So in my case, there is no criminal record, so I'm not going to upload anything. So I'm going to go next. Read this warning right here. It does not appear that you have uploaded any evidence. USCIS recommends you provide evidence to support your application. Failure to provide required evidence may delay processing of your application. That's make sure you apply the evidence. Next, so additional evidence. If you have anything that will help your case as additional evidence, attach it to your application. It is good for you and it will be processed fast. Because what happens is if they request evidence, your case will be delayed. One thing I want to mention right here, do not put a password on documents. Do not do that. All documents must be opened. Do not put a password on it. So I do not have any additional documents. So I'm going to go straight to next. Just a warning right here. Next. So as you can see, I'm sorry, my application is free from errors or warnings. So it is good to pay the fee. So as you can see, the fee is $700 because I did not apply for the fee waiver, but I'm not eligible. So I'm going to pay the fee. So I'm going to go next. So for the next review I-751 form information, you must go through this information right here and make sure everything looks right. And then go next. Now you come to this point right here. I have read and agree. Next. So now pay and submit. So once you click on pay and submit, first it's gonna take you to a form where you pay first and then you submit your application. So I'll stop right here because I already filed a petition I-751 for my spouse and she already got her green card with 10 years. So I will stop right here. If you need my help, just email me or leave a comment on the video and I will help you. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you and see you next video.